Installing a deadbolt and handle on a Provia storm door. The drill template that came with the handle set recommends placing the bottom of the template 38 to 40 inches from the bottom of the door. If the width of the door jamb wasn't taken into consideration when measuring for the storm door, this is the last chance to avoid the exterior door's knob from hitting the storm door's inner latch. Carefully read the template. It could be used for more than one style of handle set. I have both a handle and a deadbolt, so I'll need to drill 6 holes on each side of the door. Use a punch to transfer the center of the holes onto the door. I've repeated that process on the other side of the door. The dents from the punch also will help prevent the drill from walking. Best practice is to drill a pilot hole using a smaller size bit prior to drilling with a spade bit. I use this method to drill 6 holes on each side of the door. The latch was a good fit. I picked the strike that fit best, then centered it on the latch, marked the location, drilled holes, and installed the strike. The deadbolt hit the storm door frame. I need to install 2 shims, the long spindle, and long screws. I hope you find this video helpful. A thumbs up is always appreciated. Click on the channel name, Know How Now, to find other videos. And thanks for watching.